Day in the life at the warehouse, baby. Pretty hyped for today. It's day in the life. We got Meg and Haneke in today, so do a little intro for those two. I keep forgetting to look at the camera. I'm sorry, guys. I will look you in the eye. I promise. I literally feel like I am suffering from hatmorphia. I just made up this term. But listen, have you ever known a dude that wore a hat all the time, and then one day you saw them without their hat on and you're like, who's that person? Who is that? And you've come to know them with a hat on, that it's become a part of their identity. Well, I feel like when I look in the mirror on days when I am not wearing a hat, or in my phone when I'm talking to you guys and I'm not wearing a hat, I'm like, who is she? Who is that? Oh, I need more coffee. Okay, it is freezing and it is snowing and winter. Okay, we are here. Let's get my hat on. Oh. There. All right. The day to begin. Here we go.
Good morning.
Good morning. How's it going, Christine?
Good, how are you?
Good. I did not wear the appropriate shoes today. Let's just point that out.
I mean, same.
Ah! Who is this girl? Does she live in Canada? Good morning. Good morning. How's it going? Good. How are you? Good. Okay, you know what song I'm stuck in my head?
What?
The Black Eyed Peas song, I Got a Feeling.
Ooh.
Yes.
That's
So good, you guys. That's nuts. But today, I should change
Today's
the
gonna
word.
be a good day.
But today's gonna be a good day. Alright, you guys, I have a super static problem happening. I really don't want to wear this beanie today. What hat should I wear? I'm just gonna pick one off the wall. No. Yes. Adventure fit.
Adventure?
Don't mind the hat hair. So staticky. Did you know that if you use a dryer sheet, one of those bounce sheets on your hair, it just will take away all the static?
I've never heard that, but I'm definitely going to try it.
Yeah, me too. Gotta break it in. Right, feeling good. Nice. Love my adventure. Fit is my favorite.
So Meg, how's your weekend?
It was good. I got a lot of stuff done.
Oh, that's good. What'd you get up to?
So I went to a studio and then we filmed some dance videos for university, which was really exciting. How was your weekend?
Mine was good.
Good.
I didn't do too much, but I saw a friend, which was nice.
Good. And we watched Belfast, and it was so boring.
Wait, what was the movie called?
It was Belfast. It was about this Irish family, and it was so boring.
Okay, note that, everyone. Do not watch that movie.
Don't watch Belfast. Don't watch Dune, and don't watch Power of the Dog. Watch King Richard though. It's good.
How's the filming going?
It's good. You're on YouTube.
For the pickup? Is this the first pickup that's been recorded?
First pickup of
Wow,
the day.
that's so
Yes, the
amazing.
first pickup for you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So great.
Okay, so now we're using this little space so that customers can come in and try on their hats. Because before it was like, you can go back to our washroom.
Your
It's
lovely
real
washroom.
Cute back there. Or like, go try it on in your car. And then come
back.
Super pretty. Do you wear it when you're running? Or
I'm
what
not
do you
running
do?
in the winter
Oh, you're
anymore,
not running.
but I might wear it for cross-country skiing.
Yeah.
Bye, Stacey.
Bye, thank you.
The Canada Summer Jobs Grant is due tomorrow. So I need to get in my application so that we can hire a student this summer. Yes, but that's not really that interesting, like watching me fill out my application for the Canada Summer Jobs Grant.
Quality checking.
Yep.
So you quality check them, and then if there's no room here, you put them.
Yeah, we put them on the shelves, and then it's easier when we restock the shelves because then we have sleeves that are already quality checked. And then we can get ahead, and then if it's a busier time, then we don't have to worry about it as much.
Oh, redo it. Ready?
Call my mom for what we're gonna do for lunch. Okay, so you guys, for lunch today, I'm gonna get my mom to pick us up, go to McDonald's and Tim's. So you can get like, if you can mix and match if you, whatever you want. So I want a latte. So clearly I'm getting Tim's. But, what do you guys want? Mom! I have not ordered anything yet from anywhere. So you're gonna have to tell me what do you and Dad want from Tim Hortons, and then I will place that order. So at least you don't have to buy that one. Okay, I'm gonna place the Tim's order first, then because you're going to Tim Hortons first. Then I'm gonna text you the McDonald's order. Okay, thank you. Bye. So very complicated. Christine, this is my dad, Dennis. I didn't do an introduction.
That's okay. Hi, Dennis. Nice to meet you.
Now this is a knife.
Why do you have a new knife for breaking down boxes?
You get it? That's Crocodile Dundee. Now this is a knife.
Okay. Is this an inside joke I wasn't a part of?
You didn't see the movie? You gotta watch the movie. You know what I'm talking
Time
about?
ago.
Marking knows what I'm talking about.
No, I'm just laughing
Oh.
at you because it was funny.
I'm so glad you remembered that. I did not. Sorry, Dad. Sorry for the letdown.
What are you up to, Dennis?
Finding my box with my hat,
Oh yeah, your hat box.
but I can't find it.
Oh
my head
no.
box.
You might have to make another one.
Do you have to make a new one?
I guess.
Yeah.
But I gotta make it a little better.
All right.
Last time I couldn't hardly see out of it.
Mm. Yeah.
What? Oh, did she call me and I wasn't answering?
She's,
What's up? What happened?
she's on speaker.
Oh.
You order Timmy's in your hamburger?
Why? Is it not going there? Oh. Nope. I messed up that. Mom, I'm so sorry. Can I cancel? Oh my God.
So where did you order it from?
The other one we normally go to.
Send Dad to that Tim Hortons.
Dad!
Send Dad to that Tim Hortons and I'll go to McDonald's.
Okay. I'm sorry. I
Okay.
didn't realize there was so much pressure filming the YouTube.
So much pressure.
Will you go to the Tim Hortons that I accidentally ordered from by mistake
Where's that one?
on Gleams? The corner of Gleams, and like you just go down here. I really messed that up. It's not even the closest one.
Guys, I just want to go in a hole.
No, you live and you learn.
Oh my gosh.
Honestly, it's so like it's such an easy thing to forget though, because like you have to like switch the address, but like you're thinking in your head like, oh, the normal one, like
Yeah, it was like
It's like-
one of my recent, which is actually weird because I don't even remember going
going
there.
there, yeah.
No, we can't call him to get him to come back because he didn't remember his phone. What a gong show. Anyway, hopefully he has a safe trip. Wait, Stacey's all stressed out now because of your Tim Hortons debacle.
It's like we're in a jungle. Done?
Yeah.
Hi, Hanneke!
How are you?
Good. Meg here?
Yeah.
Good, good.
How are you?
I'm awesome.
Okay, food spot. Guys, we don't need to wait for the Tims to get here and start eating whatever McDonald's stuff you have because it's hot.
Yeah,
I'm really sorry, Mom. That was really goof.
that's your problem. This
Thank
is your
you.
goodie basket.
Let's see the trick, Dave.
Okay, so you take your dryer sheet, and with your staticky hair, you just do that. And it's not staticky anymore. Actually, it kind of
Might
had
have
to
to
calm
do
down.
two.
Why, is it still staticky?
A little bit at the top.
Oh, at the top.
Yeah. Did you get a haircut?
You noticed my trim? I did. I got my hair cut on Friday. Did it work?
Yeah.
Beautiful.
I'm getting mine on Saturday.
Nice.
Yeah.
Ooh, and I needed hand cream. You brought all of your hand creams.
Well, then I can get fresh at home.
I think we just keep the one we like the best.
Okay. Or
Um,
keep the fullest one, or
okay.
figure it out.
I think I don't want that one. That one. Okay, we'll keep these two.
Okay.
We'll keep two.
Yeah.
One in the bathroom and then
these are clean,
one at
Perfect. Awesome. Thank you.
and I have my receipt.
Okay, are we gonna? Do you have a spot to organize the dryer sheet?
Oh yeah.
I could
Because we can
I
have
will
static hair
definitely-
days
yes,
in the future, and we're
exactly.
going to need the dryer sheets.
I'll definitely find a spot for that.
That is a thing we're going to need. I need this.
Kai also have
Yes. Here,
There you go. Meg said the
the
same.
hand cream has arrived in the dry warehouse. We all need moisture. Okay, I'm gonna put this one in the washroom. So then we can, I don't know where we want to store
Yeah,
that
we
one.
can.
She threw all the stuff out and remade it.
Huh?
She threw all the stuff out and remade it.
No, did she?
Yeah.
Wow.
That's so nice. A little bit of chili oil on your sandwich.
That's okay.
Wow, that's really kind of her. Because, yeah, I called her, let her know that, like, you're coming. Anyway, thank you, Dad.
That's mine.
And if you didn't, because of this other client. But anyway, the girls haven't had time to cut them down. Dennis will cut them down, and then he takes them, he'll put them in his truck and take them to get recycled. So this is what I do, is I come and I check the shelves, and I make sure there's boxes. I fill up other boxes, and then I come into this great big warehouse. So then I have to find 81, because it's 81. So this little shelf here is like this big shelf. So then you take a big box of 72 hats, and then you bring them down into a box that has 12 hats. And then the girls, then they do their quality checking here.
I'm re-switching our pegboard. Oops. I'm changing it. It said "What you think" for when we first did it, and I'm gonna change it to "Hello Beautiful" or "Hey Beautiful." So when everyone's getting their coffee at our cute little coffee bar, they get reminded that they're beautiful. They're uniquely themselves. Giving everyone that extra confidence, you know.
Even Dad.
Even Dennis.
That looks great.
Bye. Yep, that's a good side.
We got some new stickers in. So we got some new motivation, 100% uniquely you. What else do we got going on? You are limited edition. So we got some cute new stickers that we add to every hat.
Yeah, I want to collect them all.
I know. I have some on my water bottle, but I lost it.
So they go in every order?
Yeah, so we put a sticker on each hat like this. And it's a little motivation, so when you get your hat, you know, you feel inspired to start the day.
Although on occasion I forget to put the sticker on there, so it just goes in the box. But
So if anyone gets one in the box, it's Meg's fault.
it
Yeah.
probably was,
Yeah.
And then these, like, it's like they're kind of nice because, like, they come like this, but then you can always, like, stick them. People stick them to their water bottles, put them on their desk, like, honestly, whatever. So it's kind of nice.
Look at that. That thing is handy.
She loves mine. I don't know if she loves it or Hanukkah loves it, somebody loves it.
I love it. Because I like struggled mopping the first time when I used the like thing in the handle. It was like short. I didn't know how to change it.
That's because the boys have it.
And then I discovered that and I was like, okay, I love it.
And I take it home and clean it for you.
Yeah, exactly.
Did everybody get paid Friday?
Yep.
Everybody got their money? Have a nice week, Meg.
thank you.
Can I watch it? Because I like forget even what the gist of the dance is.
It's right there.
You don't show what we're supposed to look like.
Do you want me to be playing this music?
You don't have to.
Or we just, you know it well enough we don't need the music yet? Because
Yeah,
we just gotta learn the
I
music.
just got it.
Okay, we set up in like dancer formation. Meg is our leader.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Two, up, down, up.
Okay.
Wait, no. What?
Sorry, this.
Down.
Are you like wiggling them like this or like athletic kind of like lower stance?
Like
that?
yeah, like it's really
Yeah, like hike up.
like really
And then it goes right
Or like-
and left.
or like little. Does it look funny with my chicken legs doing it?
If you're gonna let me down gently. Don't pretend that you don't want me. Yeah.
1.
I'm not counting. I'm just following
Two.
Meg and then just body gets
That's
it
your elbow,
eventually.
your whole hand. What is that? Wave, head. Yeah, that's better. Head, cross on cross, down, hip, hip.
I don't know if dance real warm up. Oh, I made this.
Thank you for joining us today. Please remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thanks so much for joining us.
Okay.
Well, thank you so much. Oh my goodness, give this girl a script.